Hey guys, this is Northville Tech. In this video, we're going to learn how to send a wire transfer on Chase. Open the website, then click Sign In. Now, sign in with your username and password. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the upper part of the screen. Click on the tab that says Pay and Transfer. Then a drop-down list will appear. Click on Wires and Global Transfers. Before you proceed, click on the tick box to agree to the terms and conditions of online wire transfers and Chase Global Transfer Services. After that, click on Next. Next, select whether you want to receive the code either text message or voice. In this video, I chose to receive the code using text message. Click on the option you wish to select, then click on Next. Once you receive the activation code, enter it. Then click on Next. Then here, enter the recipient's bank information. First, select the bank country by clicking the drop-down arrow next to it. Next, enter the bank routing number. After entering, click on Next. Next, enter the recipient account number, then enter it again on the second field to verify. You could also add a message, but it's just optional. Now, enter the recipient information. After entering, click on Next. After that, review the bank and recipient's information. So after reviewing and if everything looks good, click on Add Recipient. To proceed, click on the Schedule a Wire button. Now you have to enter all the required information. First, select the wire transfer to and from accounts. Next, enter the amount you wish to transfer. After that, select the transfer date. You could also add message and memo to recipient, but it is just optional. After entering all the required information, click on Next. Lastly, review the wire transfer details. If everything looks good, click on the Schedule Wire button. That's how you send a wire transfer on Chase. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also, check out our website northvilletech.com for great tech articles, and our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.